open. Get open. Get your head out of your ass. You suck. Let's go. Let's go. Get back in here. Let's go.
CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo with today's video on crypto spring cleaning. And what do I mean about crypto spring cleaning? Well, spring cleaning is we've had a long crypto winter, and now we're just all jumbled up from packing in all these bags of crap coins and distractions. And kind of what our goal for 2019 is to, take what we've learned from 18 and parlay that into understanding that a lot of these projects aren't going to be around, and a lot of these projects are not that great, and you really should just stop wasting your time following them. So what is my first tip for crypto spring cleaning? All right, let's get to it. My first one is Reddit. So as you can see here, I've got a bazillion different Reddit subscriptions, and quite honestly, it is really a big distraction. Basically what you need to do is go through, find out which subs that you're not liking anymore, and click on my subreddits. Alright, deals. Alright, so let's see, build a PC. I know how to build a PC. Unsubscribe. EOS, Keto Gains, now crypto markets. I'm not really big on that one because it's so filtered. They have so many timestamps and filters on there that I'm not really that interested in it. So basically tip number one is go through your subreddits, ether mining, oh my gosh, and get rid of subscriptions that are just distracting you from focusing on the good projects. That is spring cleaning tip number one. Spring cleaning tip number two, the bazillion QT wallets that you have. I've got a crap ton of these wallets, and most of them have nothing in it, and I'm busy trying to keep them updated and tracking them, keeping the passwords, and quite honestly is a waste of time. I just cleaned out my Rito coin wallet, and there was like $1.50 in there, so it's just not honestly worth wasting your time. Now how do you do this? What I do is I would make it a goal to fire up 1 or 2 wallets a day. Make sure there's no funds in them. If there are funds in them, send them to an exchange, liquidate them, and move it into one of your favorite projects. And then I create an archive folder, and then I move that QT in there, and then I'm just going to go down and clean this out. And the other thing is, keep an eye on your app roaming data folder, %, app data, %. And you'll find that some of these blockchains in here are taking up massive amounts of space on your hard drive. So spring cleaning tip number 2, get rid of wallets and useless bags that are not going anywhere. Face reality. Alright, crypto spring clean tip number 3, Discord. And yes, a huge time waster. It's cool hanging out in the Discord, but you have to limit your activities to those that are actually useful. Editing your Discords are pretty easy. Like here's Garlic Coin, just worthless. Leave server, boom, gone. So go through your Discords. I mean, it is a huge distraction trying to carry on 10 conversations at once. Reef Coin, yeah. Alright. Don't fall for a scam. Reef is here to stay. No, it's not. It's a dead project. So, anyways, that is crypto spring clean tip number 3. Get rid of these junk projects. Move on, move forward, evolve. Look for quality products projects that have active users, active GitHub, and are busting butt in the crypto market. So that is my top 3 crypto spring cleaning tips for you. This is CryptoSlo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications for the latest, greatest. Out.